Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you. So make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here at shopify.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where at the top of the screen, you're going to go ahead and be able to log into your account. And after successfully logging in, now you'll be able to access your home page right here, where at the left side of the screen, we can take a look at all the options we have for managing our store, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how we can get started transferring the products. Basically, guys, what we're going to do is open up the product section right here. After opening up the product section, this is now going to open up this new products menu where we can take a look at all the products that we have. So you can see here are the products that I have, and what you can get started with doing guys is take a look at all the products and go ahead and find the products you want to export. If you want to export them all, just go ahead and check them all. And after checking the products guys, here at the top of the screen, you're going to have all the options that you can access. So what you want to do is click the export button. After exporting the products guys, you can see you can export the current page, all products, doesn't matter, and export as a plain CSV file or whatever you want. After exporting guys, now you'll have your exported file on your PC. So what you want to do guys is go to your other store and click the import button in the same section. Click import, and here you can get started with adding the file that you have exported just a little bit earlier. And after adding your file, just click upload and preview, and this is going to enable you to upload your new products to your different store. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.